Hi English learners, let's look at the various verb tenses. We will be looking at 9 of them in this lesson, and we use the verbs eat and work in our examples. Eat is an irregular verb, while work is a regular verb. We use both of them to make our sentences as examples. Okay, the first one is present tense. Under present tense, we have present simple. Example, I eat. She works. Present continuous. I am eating. She is working. Present perfect tense. I have eaten. She has worked. The next is past tense. Under past tense, we have past simple. I ate. It has changed to ate. That's the past tense. She worked. Worked is the past tense of work. Past continuous tense. I was eating. She was working. Past perfect tense. Examples, I had eaten. Eating is the past perfect tense of eat, and had here makes it past perfect. She had worked. Future tense. Under future tense, we have future simple. Examples, I will eat. She will work. Future continuous tense. I will be eating. She will be working. Future perfect tense. I will have eaten. She will have worked. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and watch out for the next lesson.